What if the drink that is giving you energy is actually draining you mentally and physically? Most popular energy drinks are loaded with hidden chemicals, synthetic caffeine, artificial flavors, food dyes, preservatives, and chemical stimulants. They may give you a quick rush, but they are at a cost. And I'm going to share 10 health dangers of energy drinks. Anxiety, jitters, disrupting neurological functions, tremors and behavioral issues, irritation of the gut lining causing nausea, diarrhea, and kidney distress, insomnia and sleep disturbances, heart palpitations and elevated blood pressure, dangerous dehydration, tooth decay, type 2 diabetes, head tension, caffeine dependency, and increased cravings. And most people don't realize that the fatigue in the afternoon is often due to the caffeine and other stimulants that they take earlier in the day. And those neon flavors? Lab-created chemicals, not real fruit. There are better options. Do you know what can naturally increase your energy long-term? Having a diet free of chemicals, stimulants, and additives, and including a diet that is full of nutrients and has a natural way of flushing toxins daily with water. Additionally, what supports energy naturally is food-grade essential oils added to that water. But you must start with only high-quality food-grade essential oils. I want to share with you some of my favorites for having good energy every day and some of the combinations that you might like as well. First is lemon essential oil. Great for detox, alkalizing, and stimulating good gut metabolism. Just 2 or 3 drops to a 16-ounce bottle of water is excellent. Wild orange and peppermint are some of my very favorites. I love them together. Just 1 drop of peppermint and 2 drops of wild orange is very tasty and desirable. And I have found that you will drink more water when you add the essential oils with them. Additionally, spearmint and lime together, again, so delicious. 1 drop of spearmint, 2 or 3 drops of lime essential oil together is an excellent combination. Now, if you like it sweet, then adding just 1 drop or 2 of liquid stevia to your water can also be helpful. I also like adding these essential oils or others to my warm herbal drinks. These again are very stimulating, detoxifying, immune boosting, gut balancing, and provide all kinds of benefits for not only increasing your energy naturally, but also in supporting your gut and your brain on a daily basis. With these, you are hydrating, energizing, and detoxing all at the same time. A huge key to having real sustainable energy long-term. Remember, real energy does not come from chemicals and stimulants. It really comes from well-supported organs fueled by nature. Start supporting your gut and your brain with clean foods, water, and the exact oils that I trust and use on a daily basis. Just look for the info in the comments.